Alright guys, so we got the lawnmowers back out here and it's becoming summer, spring, and the grass is growing back. As you can see, more grass, greenness. And we're gonna cut it today and make the track a little bit better. Get it ready for dirt bike riding season. Yeah, add some more to the track. Better for videos and get it all good for the season. Hey, it's the first start of the season. It might take a second. There we go. Oh.
Oh, because I keep raising it.
There we go. He's good to go. All right, so guys, it is time for the annual lawnmower mudding time, and yeah, if Chase can ever get his lawnmower started. But we got some mud out here, so it's lawn mowing mudding time, if Chase will ever get this started. Oh. There we go. Jesus, dude.
Should we try? Boy, the golf ball versus the
Golf ball versus mower. Oh! Oh, snap. What was that?
Should be wearing some sort of safety goggles.
Yeah.
Holy crap.
Oh my God! Oh, it split straight in half.
Oh, where'd the other half go?
Oh my God. Bro, that was crazy. I smell the oil from here. Holy, dude.
You think it's still gonna start after that?
I think it will. Toro's pretty trustworthy. Wow. Oh, almost first with Chase on it. Wow. Oh, that sprayed me so badly.
Oh! I don't think that thing's gonna start. Dude, because you got water in the air filter. And the exhaust. Oh, watch out. And the carb.
Oh, it locked up. Oh no, it was just really hard. Oh!
No way. No throttle, no throttle. Wow.
way.
It
Wait,
still runs.
Come on. I have faith. There we go. Yes. Let's see how smoky. Oh. Uh-oh. No way.
Wow.
Almost on the first pull there.
Second? Oh, you play with the throttle.
Yeah, so
It's getting cold every time you land it in the water. Got it.
you know what?
No, let me do it. Bro, let me try it.
All right, Chase, you try and pull it. Some reason Chase has like the magic touch on these things. Whenever he pulls something, compared to me, he always starts it. I'll just throw it in the water, honestly.
Might have fixed it.
Maybe. Get out of there. Should be good to go.
Yeah, flip it upside down and see if it'll start. Alright, start.
Just shooting water out.
Will it even start with that, like that?
I don't think it's starting, Chase.
Just jump.
This freaking mower, bro.
One man is dead and another is fighting for life.
And are grieving tonight after he lost his life in a lawnmower accident.
All right, so the after damage after the lawnmower crash, it hit a tree. So we're gonna go third run down the hill. So it hit this nice tree here, and the wheel is a little cockeyed there. And yeah, pretty nice car crash. So this is the aftermath here, and Toro did not do so well. Yeah, rest in peace, Toro.
You will be missed.
You will.
You will not be missed.
Alright, so the other day we found a bunch of tires and a barrel. We got a snowboard. And today we have a big hill and a bunch of tires. So if you put one and one together, you get two. So we're gonna roll the tires down the hill. And
Should be pretty fun. Yep. I don't think the snowboard's working so well.
anyways, that's how you pop a 180 on a real snowboard.
Snowboard, not the best. Let's go, Noah. There it goes.
It's still going! And it's down!
All right, next tire. Oh my God. Here we go. Cole!
Oh!
So, okay, now we saved the best one for last, the biggest one.
We'll got the big one now.
We got the biggest one here, and we're gonna roll this one. Oh, here we go. Hit the jump. No.
There's a tire in our trail.
Yeah, someone put a tire in our trail. All right, time to bring them back up.
Yeah, we're gonna bring him back up and do round 2.
All right, so we found this rope swing.
Ah!
Oh my God.
Hold on.
No, we'll launch them.
Oh!
Launch them.
I didn't know that was coming.
Holy.
No, I got it when it comes back.
Run. Oh my goodness. All right, now throw Noah as high as you can go.
All right, Noah, you're going high.
Very high.
I'm
Ready?
already high. What?
What?
Ready?
Oh, God. I didn't get a big grip.
Oh my God. Cole, you're supposed to push him with it.
Oh, God. Oh my God.
Oh my.
Oh, crap.
Ready?
Do that to Cole now.
Oh God, I'm gonna go high.
No, do it to Cole. Pull on the
Ready?
sweatshirt as far as you can go.
Ready?
Second collarbone breakage.
Another collarbone to break. Oh!
Oh!
Chase, what are you doing?
I was trying to pull you back, bro.
Almost got a 4K view of Cole's pants being pulled off.
Ethan, you try.
That thing's gonna
gonna
come
pull out a
down. It dropped yesterday when you guys were using it. Wasn't it a lot taller?
No.
Alright. Oh, the train!
Ow! Oh my God, that was a high drop. We're gonna go get string and then just tie it to the
It's
wheels and
somewhere
bring
on
it
the
up
hill
easily.
over there.
Yeah, it's up there on that hill somewhere.
Bad tire for all this mud.
Yeah, he's literally
it's like
slipping.
a DOT approved like on-road, off-road tire.
He's like
It's so
slipping the whole
bad.
entire hill, yeah.
It's so bad.
Oh, we found some string and Noah's tying it up right now. We're gonna put it on the tires and just use
Tow
a
it
dirt
up.
bike and just tow it up, yeah. And we're gonna see how it goes. All right, so tires all tied up and we're gonna try and make it up the hill. That worked much better than I thought. Oh, there it goes. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah.
That thing's a work machine. Oh. That thing was absolutely hauling up the hill.
Sticks like a billy goat, bro.
Yeah, that thing was crazy up the hill.
No, you might want to stack them on each other.
So we're gonna try and tie all 3 tires. So just do because it did the big tire. So
Yeah.
I don't see why I can't do this.
Tire, I could definitely do 3 small tires.
Yeah,
That's not a lot.
Hold on, Chase.
this thing is the workhorse today, Chase.
Yeah.
Usually it's my way.
TTR.
Not in commission.
Yeah, because your bike's always here.
The tire R.
All right.
You should take them to KX. We could've been
Oh,
at the same time.
the Tire Tug R125.
Tire tug R.
Ripper.
All right.
The Tire Tug Ripper 125.
Oh, let me go up. I want to.
Let's go, Chase. That thing's a work machine. So we got all the tires to the top now with Chase's work machine TTR.
All right, round 2. Oh! 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 It's still going! That's down. Oh! It hit the same spot! It's exactly where it went last time! time.
Shit! Oh! Oh my god. Shit. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Dude, we were aiming right for that down tree down there, and it literally just hit the down tree and jumped over the branch.
It literally cleared the branch. That was crazy.
Small tires just hit the went over.
Yeah, it cleared that. Went over that and cleared it. Pretty crazy.
That was insane.